Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here to see what's in the very new, very different test tube, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Holy cow, this box weighs a ton. So apparently they've gotten rid of the test tubes because this box looked very different, and I went and looked up like what's going on, and then I learned they're doing a quarterly box now. So the price has gone up. It's now $59 a quarter. If you pay annually, it's like $200 a year, which would make each box $50. You can also do 6 months, get 2 boxes. That was like $118. I'm super confused because I paid for a year in advance, which would go through to November, December for me, back when it was a $29.95 box. So I don't know what that means for me, to be honest. I'm going to put on screen any of the new information. They claim to be more eco-friendly. All of their boxes are now recyclable, getting rid of these tubes. However, the Free Gift Friday still comes in pink little plastic bags, so there's that. Alright, enough rambling. Let me dive in to this extremely heavy box and see if it's now worth the $59 price point. Granted, it's going to be a quarterly box instead of every other month, but I didn't think it was worth the $30, let alone the double in price of $59. This is very interesting. There's like, I don't know, paper wrapped around everything, but it's not tissue paper. This flat out is just paper. Oh, good God. All right, now I know why the box is so heavy. They put their magazine, which I used to get. Honestly, I don't read magazines. Any magazine. Leave me a comment if you still read magazines. Short of like, if you're in the waiting room of a doctor or dentist office, yeah, you grab the good ones, the Us Weekly and People magazines. But this thick guy is literally all magazines, or almost all advertisements. I didn't appreciate getting it in the mail because it would just go straight to the recycle bin. And now it's in the box. And now, well, the box is about half of what it used to weigh because that magazine weighs a ton. All right, first item. What do we have here? Feels like, looks like it might be some kind of hair product. This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Unite, and it's the 7 Seconds Detangler Leave-In Conditioner. Alright. I knew from the bottle shape size it was going to be hair care. It's just, you know, I got short hair. It's nothing against hair care products. If I had long hair, I'd probably be oohing and awing over this, but because I don't, you know where that's going to go. Okay, next item. What do we have here? Again, this is a brand I'm not familiar with called Gloss Moderne, or Moderne, and it's a clean luxury hair mask. Is May hair care month? Oh my goodness. All right, next item. What is this product here? We have MoxieLash Essentials Kit Volume 1. We all know how much I do fake eyelashes, but let's just see what they look like. And does it come with glue? If it comes with glue, and if they're natural, I may try them on just for you, just for Shiatsu puppies and giggles. Oh, okay. Yes. So I've been wanting to try, well, not that I want false eyelashes, but I've been hearing about this type, which is the magnetic. And I'm like, well, if I'm gonna try them on, we might as well try something that's lazy girl approved. It comes with an eyeliner, glue, and some cotton swabs to remove it if you struggle, like I'm sure I will. These are very natural looking and are the types with the magnets. All right, I am enjoying this one way more than if this was just the old school type. All right, next item. What is this little itty bitty baby box in a beautiful pink? This is Cocofloss Pure Strawberry. Pure Strawberry what? Oh, It's literally floss. You know, there's that makeup brand called Floss. I honestly thought this was going to be like a blush. All right, so this box is notorious for putting in products for your mouth. They've done toothpaste several times. They've done teeth whitening. And now we get a floss, which, you know, we all need to floss. It's just, why is this in my beauty box? All right, next item. All right, what do we have here? This here is from Sonage, and it's the Collagen Boosting Serum. All right, I love a good serum. Although when it comes to collagen, that's all marketing. Collagen is internal, so if you take supplements or whatnot, but external collagen isn't going to do much. But if I love and enjoy the serum in general, that's great. Just stop with marketing for collagen. All right, next item. All right, I've been getting this brand a lot lately. This is the Vitabrid C12, and this here is a face brightening 12-hour vitamin C something. God forbid they put it. What is this? This is face brightening. Oh, wait, are these supplements? I'm not really sure. The box is sealed, so I'm going to do some research, because if it's something I'm not going to use, I might as well not destroy the box just to take a look at the product itself. I don't think it's a supplement. I think it's like a powder that you mix with water. I don't know, maybe you rub it on your face. Not quite sure, but something will float on screen if I find information on this product. All right, next item. All right, what do we have here? This is from Whish, and it is the lip balm with Bakuchiol in coconut. Ooh, I love getting lip balms because Mama doesn't have to go to the store and buy them if she gets them in these boxes. And I love this in a coconut. Ooh, yes, smells like coconut. It's that type of applicator, although this one's a little shorter and rounded on top. All right, can't go wrong with a lip balm. Next item. What? Oh my goodness, I just saw the name. What is this? It's from Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. All right, you know how I feel about primers, but also I've heard some really good things about the Tatcha primer, and I've only owned one other item from Tatcha, maybe two. A little teeny Ipsy, literally had like 3 sprays. It was a makeup finishing spray that the little teeny guy just 3 spritzes gone. And then I got a beautifully packaged red lipstick. You know how I feel about red lipstick, so that went in a giveaway. But this is something from Tatcha. Look how beautiful the packaging is. I could actually use or wear. Oh, wait, it was upside down. Little box, purple. Ooh, it's in a foil pack. There's like a little, I don't know what this is, a little frisbee, alien flying saucer. What is that for? Is that to scrape the product? I'm so intrigued. And why is it in tinfoil? Is it going to start the clock ticking if I take it out? I don't know. I'm dying to know what this is. All right. It's packaging like one would expect. I don't know why it's in that foil pack. Ooh. It's giving, sorry, Tatcha, elf putty primer vibes, but at a much bougier price point, and I'm sure it's a much better product. Although, oh, I thought it had plastic. I'm like, how come I can't get the plastic off? Oh, it feels so soft. It has a subtle scent. Don't ask me what. Okay. Leave me a comment if you've used and tried this before. Is it as spectacular as everyone claims it to be? And does this one item pay for this entire box? Gee, I was being a smart aleck, but this practically does. This retails for $52. And the new price of the box, which is quarterly, is $59. So, yay to this product. All right, let's recap everything that came in the May 2022 quarterly test tube. We got the Silk Canvas Primer from Tatcha. We got the MoxieLash Essentials Eye Kit. We got the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Hair Mask. We got the Unite Hair 7-Second Detangler, the Whish Lip Balm with Bakuchiol in Coconut, a Collagen Boosting Serum from Sonage, the Face Brightening 12-Hour Vitamin C from Vitabrid C12, and Dental Floss from Cocofloss in Pure Strawberry. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, if you love and enjoy hair care products, I think you would really enjoy this box. I am super, super excited to get to try the Tatcha, what's this called? Silk Canvas. It's super bougie at $52. I have heard fantastic things. Would have ever spent my own money on this? No. So that I am super excited about. I will always enjoy receiving serums in boxes because I do use serums. Hair mask? No thank you. Leave-in conditioner? No thank you, but that's just me. Others I'm sure would love that. Do I use false eyelashes? No. Have I always wanted to try the magnetized type? Yes. Would I spend my own money on that? No. Therefore, I'm super excited to get this in the box. Don't know what this is yet. So, I don't know. I'll either be really excited or be like, pass. Floss, really? Especially one that's this bougie at $9? No, thank you. Who can't use a lip balm? I swear to God, I'll never, as long as I'm getting beauty subscriptions, I will never have to purchase a lip balm again in my life. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total for this box. I bet it's going to be up there because at least a few of these products are over $50. Leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts of this box are. How do you feel about it moving to quarterly? Is it now intriguing you that it's quarterly? How do you feel about the $59 price point? Do you feel the value of the items is good? This box being quarterly and the price point is on par with BoxyLuxe and Ipsy Glam Bag X. So what are your thoughts on this? No makeup, so I know right away that's a big meh, meh. However, when was the last time you saw a Tatcha product in Glam Bag X or in BoxyLuxe? So we shall have to keep an eye on this one. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.